Right, here is a very quick video of how to do one of our artists that we're doing. I will quickly share this with you. Right, so this is the artist, so this is my Pinterest at the top here, and this is one of the artists that we do where it is dark on the inside and light on the outside. See how that is. And so what we do is we start off with taking photos of doorways from inside out, so the inside's nice and dark, and then what we're doing is we are then manipulating them on the computer, and I'll show you that very, very quickly. So the very first thing that we do is we go image, adjustments, and then we go hue and saturation, and color is the saturation. So we grab that saturation, take it out. Now, they always go black and white to start off with. Sorry, not black and white, they always go gray, color goes gray. And so we need another way of making the darks darker and the lights lighter, like an artist model. So image, adjustments, levels, and then you can adjust the levels and it makes the darks darker. So this is a graph. So many blacks you have, this is how many whites you have, and we can adjust that and adjust the grays and get it how we want. And you don't want too cartoony, but you do want the darks nice and dark. And you go okay, and that's how we do it. Now, if there's a little things that we want, you go, actually, I would want that just a little bit darker there, and we can't get that on using the levels. Then what we do is we use this tool over here, which is dodging, is making things lighter, and burning is making things darker. So you click on one of those, and I will just go to the appropriate layer, which is it even here, Windows, layers. Why is that not there? Libraries, no, I don't want that. Window, layers. Right, okay, so it's indexed color, so that's not going to let me do anything. So I have to go up to here, image. That's because I grabbed one off the internet, and just go RGB color. All right, cool. So now it's going to let me do these things. So what happens is up the top here, you've got what you're adjusting, shadows, midtones, and highlights. And we're just going to do the shadows for now because we want the dark things darker. We crank down the exposure. It starts off defaults at 20%, make it about, sorry, 50%, make it about 20. And so then what happens is if I go over the light parts, it's not going to work because it's just going with shadows, and it's just going to actually make the dark parts darker. And so you can make the dark parts darker like that by using the burn tool here. And the dodge tool does the exact opposite, and you've got the same thing here. It will affect just the highlights, and I'll burn that out, but it won't do anything to the blacks. Right, there you go. Nice and easy, even if I made a mistake halfway through it. Goodbye.